How much does an electrician make in China? The average salary of an electrician in China is 11,600 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, it drops to $10,300, which leaves you with roughly $858 a month in take-home pay. While this is the national average, an electrician's salary in China is usually higher in major urban centers. So in Shanghai, for example, your take-home pay goes up to $12,100. Living in smaller places brings lower electrician wages, but cheaper rent often makes up for the difference. Early on, entry-level electrician income sits well below this average, though pay rises quickly as you gain skills. If you do not move into supervision, your earnings will eventually plateau. A university degree is not strictly required for basic work, but getting an education helps you earn noticeably more and opens doors to higher positions like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, large national corporations and multinational employers pay substantially more than small local firms, which is why your actual average electrician pay depends heavily on who hires you.